I'm currently working on putting these posters together. The posters themselves come in a roll, and you've got to put them in this frame. Now, the interesting thing about these frames are the plastic here is covered in a film, and I've seen people sort of struggle on how to get that plastic film off. I mean, it can be a real bugger to get off. Now, if you come over here and look at this other poster that I'm currently working on, so this is a frame and here's the backing board. I'll just take that out. I've got rubber gloves on here because I don't want to leave fingerprints. So if I just take that out, and that is that's just a piece of rubbish, so that can go over there. But you will notice on this plastic here is a film. Now you can sit there trying to pick and peel this off till the cows come home and it just won't happen. But here's the tip. A bit of gaffer tape, fold it over so you can not stick to it. Stick it on the corner, press it in, and hey presto, off it comes. So I can now just peel that across, being very careful not to scratch it as I do it. Flip it over. Repeat the same thing if you want to come in a bit closer. So I'm just literally sticking it, actually I really ought to stick it to the corner. Stick it to the corner. Ta-da! So I can take that off. And it's as simple as that. Yeah, I thought you might like to know that one. I've seen lots and lots of people struggle with it over the years, including a very, I say very famous, including a famous person who used to be on television and not so much these days. But yeah, he didn't know how to do it. But that's a little trick that I sort of developed when I worked at a printing firm. But there you go. Also, wearing the gloves leaves no fingerprints.
It's not called a tip, it's called a hack.
Oh, sorry, it's a hack apparently. So there you go, there's a hack. Short and sweet, but there you are, and that's what you end up with. A poster like that, looking lovely. That's going to go on the stairs once we've decorated. You know, there's a little tip. Thanks for watching.